dimples coming out. Yeah. The last time Chavi was here, this whole place was empty. Oh, really?
I'm craving something crunchy.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's gonna be cold. You got the jacket.
Okay. Crunchy and spicy.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Tell me how you feel. I feel like the grass is green, and everything I know is unseen. But I know that's just in my mind. I know everything is just in my mind. Do you really wanna be famous? Do you really wanna be a superstar? Do you really wanna get dangerous? Do you even know what the groupies are? Bitches out here be shameless, and I really wonder what their parents are. Look around, everything changes. It feels like I've been buried alive. Buried alive. Everything happens for a reason. People only in your life for seasons. Word to Harville, real shit. I've been here so very long, right here in this very song. Around everything changes. Seem like everybody just strangers. Don't worry, cause it's dangerous. Why everybody wanna be famous? I'm so OCD if they notice me. I might jump out the grave so they know it's me. Man, everybody want this shit for free. Hand out, palm up when it gets to me. In my mind, no, I never let it get to me. Everybody gotta turn when it get to me. V's up, motherfucker, that's victory. Tell me why what I'm doing ain't shit to me.
Alright guys, we just released our crew jacket. This is cut and sew. It has a sherpa lining on the inside throughout the whole sleeve, so it'll keep you really warm. This is one of our best jackets we've made yet. It has our embroidered official logo right here and on the back. So we also brought back the 10mm keychains, and both of these are on the site now, KarumaLimited.com.
BTS.
You want this little baby?
Hey, you guys aren't supposed to be drinking on
set?
bro.
If we don't drink, who will?
Karuma!
Back to the animal.